Alright, this one's for the folks that don't have an advanced frame. This might seem intimidating, but trust me, it's not that bad. This is the stock frame. This one specifically is the Tokyo Marui Gold Match 5.1. So make sure the hammer's up first, then push the pin out for the hammer spring housing. Sear spring, hammer down, thumb safety up. You're going to pop the thumb safety out. Make sure the plungers for the thumb safety don't go flying. You take out the grip safety. And you take out the grip screws. And you take out the top screw. And it's just this one screw for the frame plate. So this is the frame plate. The frame plate has the valve knocker and the valve knocker lock pin. So you pry the spring up off this post, and this will just pop up and come right out. This is the hammer inner chassis. It has one screw. And on this one, which is really common on Tokyo Marui, is the valve knocker lock breaks in half. So the hammer just comes off like this, off its post, then the sear, and the disconnector. Clean off all the parts. I like to grease the frame a little bit. Disconnector goes in first. The sear goes on top of the disconnector. And the hammer just sits on its post. And the hammer function will actually work like this. You depress the trigger, pushes the disconnector, disconnector pushes the sear up, and lets the hammer go. So the new valve knocker lock goes like this. The inner hammer chassis just pops back on. Then you screw it down. And this spring for the valve knocker sits on this post right here. And the valve knocker other side of the spring has to hook into the slot. Goes in and it'll just pop right down. Make sure it sits right here on that post. The other end of the spring sits in this slot. So the frame plate goes on an angle right here where my finger is, and then just pops down. Put your screw in, and that's it, you're done.